it's raining and we don't have the light in the car that's not working, so you can't like see anything. But yeah, we're just heading out somewhere.
I was just getting over a cold and fever, so I wanted to eat some nice hot soup. So we went out for a nice dinner, and I really like the starters here. This place is in Gachibowli, and I'm not that fond of the main course, but the place has a nice view and it's very pleasant. After that, we went to Roast to have some coffee and dessert. Again, really good coffee and desserts, but the place is like super nice. My brother was running a 2 hour marathon that night, so we went with him to, like, just watch and like cheer him on.
As you see the runners pass by, give them a round of applause, cheer them, give them a
We're just standing, like sitting here and watching on the stairs. It's a 2 hour marathon. So my brother started sometime back. I have like little cold, so I'm wearing this and it's drizzling. It's 1:53. They just have like 7 more minutes left. Shit. That's Teja. Yeah, she's blocking Teja. Such a lovely, cozy winter morning with a little sun. It's a little chilly, you guys. And finishing up some work. So today and this whole week, I'm gonna go evening to see some Christmas trees. So this time it's all lit up, even though we're in Hyderabad. Christmas tree hopping. We go see a couple of different places and try out like Christmas food and all that. So I love the lights and everything. Just a feel good thing. So I'm gonna do that with my friends. It's so beautiful. We are at Sopramisa and it's all lit up for the Christmas. I'm at my friend's place and there's two really cute German Shepherd puppies here. They're so cute and adorable. Hi. ఎందుకు ఏడుస్తున్నావు నువ్వు ఎందుకు ఏడుస్తున్నావు ఇట్స్ ఓకే నథింగ్ హ్యాపెన్ పడుకో బొజ్జో ఇట్స్ ఓకే
अभी
Close to one they can see you.
He does, bro. I don't mind the question.
కొరుకుతున్నావు Who's that?
I don't think it is that jam.
Of course not.
Yeah, I thought it was another shape of the same jam. I think it's two of those. Salt and pepper shakers, I think. It's
Candle.
oil thingy.
Candle diffuser.
What's wrong? It's nice.
Reached home, okay? The dogs are not letting Yash open the car, open the gate. They try to go inside. It's a whole thing with the dogs because we feed them. It's all sorts of crazy. They like came running to jump on Yash. Hello. We just got back home to all these cuties. Hello. This one is like very excited, came running and jumped on me. Enti. Emaindi. More of them there. This one is making some sounds.
And you're expecting her to keep quiet. Ulta nimi teyile santa nintu.
Happy 30s. 30 and 31.
31 అయిపోయింది.
నేను 91.
Please, yes, మొన్ననే
Hello everyone, good morning you all. I am feeling much better. I am all recovered. No more cold coffee. Took me 2-3 days, but I'm all good now. I just made coffee with almond milk. It almost tastes like coffee bite. It's very very cute and yummy. So I'm just finishing up my coffee. And I'm heading out for breakfast with my friends. If you're enjoying these vlogs, then do tell me in the comments below. So today is going to be all family day and a little bit of like running around. So I'm just heading out for breakfast to Chutneys with my friends. And then today evening we are having family over for the 31st night dinner. So yeah, it's a little bit chaotic in my house. I just got some things prepared and then I just left. And I also have to pick up some other things like plates and other cutlery kind of things like disposable stuff so that we don't make it too complicated for ourselves to clean up later.
Very nice paint. This is a different.
So I went for breakfast and came home. I quickly changed because I was wearing off-white. Funnily enough, our gas cylinder got over and he's not able to deliver. So we're going to pick up the gas cylinder now. Basically, she's driving today.
Everybody are making me conscious.
I'm not making you conscious. I was just normally jogging. And that is basically us driving. And then I thought, we were going in the wrong route. అందుకనే నేను pause అయ్యా ఇందాక.
Oh,
We can pick up some cake. And now we're going to some supermarket to get some coke and stuff like that. Yes, she's like on full speed mode. Acha, Ratnadeep, you already came off also. Huh? Goodness. Too much speed. Fast. ఏదో ఛాలెంజ్ చేస్తున్నట్టు పరిగెడుతున్నాం అందుకని.
anxiety person. Anxiety king.
All dressed and everyone's here. Let's go out and just Basically, it's all like house party. All of Yash's family's here. My parents and my brother is also here, and I think they're just about to play something.
So that's kind of betting this year.
Sorry, big. I am sorry.
Videos. For a change, Teja say hi. Sushma is closing her face. She just realized. I don't think so. Yes.
Hi, big.
Hi, Yash. Hi, చెప్పలేదు.
Sushma. Usually says Sushma, how was your trip to Kerala?
It was good.
Great, I think actually.
Yeah, no sleep.
Oh, cool. Sushma is me.
How many down? How many down?
ప్రియాంక సరే చెప్తున్నా నన్ను అట్లాంటి
మనం స్టార్టర్స్ ఫినిష్ చేసాం
చూసారా నేర్చుకో సుష్మా
నేను పట్టుకోనా
It's a video.
కనిపించలేదు
Yes, say hi.
He will put the next three cards. He will put the next three cards. But man, we only need 5. Hit the 3 cards.